Ready?
Yes. All right. So today we're going to change out some Locator liners. So Missy, what do we got? The clear is what, 5, right?
Yes, that's correct.
So orange is what?
Orange is 3.
3 and blue is what?
1.5.
Yep, that's right. 1.5. All right. So sometimes you can take these out with this tool. Like if you screw it all the way down, the little plunger pops out. You screw it back, it goes back in. Sometimes you can, oh, see that one did, just like it was supposed to do. So then you just have to screw that in, pops it out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, come on, let's see. What do they say? 2 out of 6 ain't bad? All right, that's not what they say. All right. Ooh, look at that, 3. That makes me want to try the other ones again. We have another one of these little tools. It's called a GPS tool that's made for like an old implant direct.
What if you screw it out more while it's in there?
It'll just push it off. Yeah. Oh, look at there. Boom. 4. Whoop. To check my socks for that one. All right. Oh, come on. Almost. Oh, look at there. All right. All right. Maybe the engineers had it figured out. One more. You get this excited, Missy, when you're doing this? You're like, I don't do this. How could I get excited? All right. Okay, so I'm going to have to demonstrate the other method. I can't rock it this way because I'm running into the flange. So we're going to grab an Explorer. We're going to try to get in there, and normally I'd have my headlight on to see a little bit better, but it's kind of washing out the video. So I'm just going to rock with it. All right. So I just got the Explorer in between the housing and the liner. We're going to scoot those away. And now we've got 6 liners. Today we're going to go to the clear. So now I'm going to disassemble this like that, and then this piece right there, it fits in the clear, or in the liner. Glad I got record turned on. For a second, I wasn't sure. All right, so it sits on here like this. Then pop it in there like that. So on these molars, I feel like it's pushing pretty good straight down on the table. Most of the time what I do is I cradle it in my hand and put my fingers directly underneath it and make sure it's popped all the way in, because you want to support right underneath, because if you're supporting like here and here and you're pushing here, in some situations you could break the denture. Our patient's like, what? I want to pop the denture. Don't do that. But I would call you by name, but I'm making a video and I might put it on YouTube. So, like, say your social security number and your phone number and first and last name. Yeah. All right. Okay. So this one's got metal reinforcement, this denture, so the chance of breaking it are not as high. But especially if you're doing a mandibular denture, overdenture, you're doing this and there's no metal in there and the acrylic's pretty thin, you can snap it. And then when you do, unless you've said all the right things, it just might become your problem. All right, so this end of this tool, I think here has a flat place. So you can use that if you need to just push down on these. And then this piece right here actually fits into the Locator abutment. So you could use that to help insert a Locator abutment in the mouth. I think there's a little tool that catches right in that hole to help with that, but we don't use that. So whenever you're finished, you just put this back together. That way the components don't get lost. And then we're gonna go and we're gonna try this in the mouth. Okay, so now we've got this overdenture with 6 5-pound housings, and hopefully they are, looks like the tissue's looking nice and healthy. Hopefully they are, we can insert it if we can. Yeah, so if you do the math, and they're 5 pounds each, Dr. Morris, how many pounds of force do we have holding this denture in?
You said there were 6 of them, so
Mhm.
30.
That's right. So 30 pounds. So the implants are pretty parallel, so it's possible to remove the denture, but it's possible to insert it. If they're off angle, sometimes that makes it challenging. Bite together. Your bite feel the same?
Mm-hmm.
You see if you can pop that out.
Ooh.
Maybe start with the left side.
I don't know.
Might have to back off some. There you go.
There it is.
If you
I
can
think
do-
it's just been so easy to do it. So
Yeah.
Yeah, so now, and he finds the path and then he wears them a little bit. It's no problem. Sometimes if they have a little trouble, you when you take it out, you wet it. And then the liquid will provide a little slippery, more of a lubricated surface. Okay, thank you.